Imagine waking up, grabbing your coffee, and instead of drowning in emails, your AI assistant has already sorted your inbox, scheduled your meetings, and even suggested the best time to take a break. Sounds like sci-fi? Well, this is the future of workplace management tools in 2025. And if your company is still using spreadsheets and outdated software, you might be in for a rude awakening. Because the way we work is changing fast. AI, automation, and new collaboration tools are completely transforming how businesses operate. And if you are not keeping up, you are falling behind. So, what can we expect? What tools are actually going to make an impact, and what is just overhyped nonsense? Stick around because we are diving into the future of workplace management, and trust me, you will want to be ahead of this curve. Let's be real. Most workplace tools today are a mess. Ever had a day where you spent more time switching between Slack, Zoom, Trello, and 5 different Google Docs than actually working? Yeah, you are not alone. Right now, workplace tools are disconnected, overwhelming, and inefficient. Employees waste hours navigating between apps, trying to figure out where that one crucial file is, or waiting for a response from a colleague buried in notifications. And let's talk about meetings. The average worker spends 21% of their week in meetings, and a huge chunk of them are completely unnecessary. Productivity? More like busy work. So the big question is, how do we fix this? That is where the next generation of workplace tools comes in, and some of them are straight up mind-blowing. If you have used ChatGPT or any AI tool recently, you already know how powerful automation is becoming. But in 2025, AI workplace assistants will not just answer questions, they will run your workflows for you. Think about this. Instead of manually scheduling meetings, your AI assistant cross-checks everyone's availability, books the meeting, and even drafts the agenda based on past conversations. Need to summarize a long email thread? AI can do it in seconds. Companies like Microsoft, Google, and Notion are already integrating AI deeply into their workplace tools. And in 2025, this will be standard. If your company is not leveraging AI to automate repetitive tasks, you are wasting valuable time and resources. Remote work is here to stay, but so is the office. The problem? Most companies have not figured out how to balance the two. That is why workplace management tools in 2025 will focus heavily on seamless, hybrid work solutions. Imagine this, you are working from home on Monday and want to head to the office on Tuesday. Your company's system automatically reserves a desk for you, syncs your meetings to an available conference room, and even orders your favorite coffee before you arrive. Smart office tools will track workspace usage, manage hot desking, and ensure employees get the best of both worlds. Remote flexibility with in-office collaboration. Trend number 3. All-in-one platforms will reduce app overload. Raise your hand if you have more than 10 different work apps open right now. The biggest headache in modern workplaces is tool overload. Instead of making work easier, most apps just create more distractions. That is why companies like Slack, Microsoft, and Google are moving towards all-in-one platforms, where communication, collaboration, and project management are seamlessly integrated. In 2025, expect fewer standalone apps and more fully integrated systems that allow teams to manage everything. Tasks, meetings, communication, and documents, all in one place. The goal? Less app hopping, more actual work. Trend number 4, AI-driven analytics for smarter decision-making. Managers and leaders will rely heavily on AI-powered analytics to make decisions. Instead of guessing how productive a team is or whether a project is on track, AI will provide real-time insights into workflow efficiency, employee engagement, and overall productivity. For example, AI dashboards will highlight which teams are at risk of burnout, which processes are causing delays, and even predict which employees are likely to quit based on work patterns. Data-driven leadership will be the future, and workplace management tools will be at the center of it. Trend number 5. Security and privacy will become a top priority. With so much reliance on digital tools, cybersecurity will be more important than ever. Companies will invest heavily in biometric logins, zero-trust security models, and AI-driven threat detection. If your workplace tools are not prioritizing data security, you are not just at risk, you are an easy target. In 2025, expect stronger authentication methods, more encryption, and less tolerance for security breaches. So, what does all of this mean for you? Well, if you're a business owner, leader, or even an employee, the way you work is about to change significantly. If your company is not leveraging AI and automation, your competitors will. If your workplace is still using outdated management tools, you will lose productivity. The companies that embrace these innovations early will dominate in efficiency, employee satisfaction, and overall success. Conclusion: the future is already here. We're not talking about some distant future, these changes are happening right now. Companies like Microsoft, Google and startups worldwide are racing to redefine workplace management. The tools of 2025 will be smarter, faster and more intuitive than ever before. The question is, are you ready for it? If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments. Which workplace tool are you most excited about? Also, do not forget to subscribe for more insights on leadership and the future of work. See you in the next one.